Hi everyone, we're here at Disneyland for the Disney100 celebration. It's the celebration of the 100th anniversary of the Walt Disney Company. It officially kicks off Friday, January 27th, and we're gonna bring you an inside look at a new ride that's coming this year, new decorations, a new aesthetic for the park, and even some new nighttime shows. We're about to ride Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. It's a new ride, and we get a sneak peek the day before it opens to the public.
Welcome everybody, come on in, come on in.
Welcome aboard, folks. Hey, Mickey and Minnie.
Sure you can cook it away. Not a chance.
The cart, it's basically like a train, but each cart is sort of its own like vehicle, so it all splits up. And because there's no track, you don't know where it's gonna go next, and everyone kind of has their own path. My favorite part was the Daisy Duck dance class.
See you. Come on in. Don't be shy.
It ended with a really sweet ode to Mickey and Minnie. This is the first attraction at Disneyland to feature them. It was really sweet. It ended with a picnic and fireworks, and it sort of encapsulated that Disney magic. That's a wrap on our time at Disneyland. New areas of Toontown open on March 8th. The celebration of Disney100 continues through the rest of the year. I highly recommend you check it out.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, check out these other videos from USA Today to stay up to date with all the latest news.